Yo, first order of the day. We've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $10, going just under 7 miles.
Hi, what can I get for you today? Have a good day.
This is not mine, I don't think.
What? It's for...
Zelos?
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Not gonna lie, the only reason I noticed that wasn't for me was because she didn't hand me a drink before she closed the little window. Otherwise, this customer probably would have been very mad at me. This next order is going to be starting up the earn by time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a Starbucks going 3.5 miles.
Hello.
Perfect, thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
You too. Next up, we've got an IHOP going about 6 miles. Total for that order was $11. Nice. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going 6 miles. Okay, so this says it's a hand to customer, but in their notes it says, please leave at door. And then they messaged me saying, leave on porch, don't knock. And now they messaged me, actually, if you could leave it behind the Lexus, that would be great. Like, make up your mind, my guy. I was a little hesitant to actually put it on their car because they didn't want me to knock, so what if their car alarm started going off? That would have been awful. I would have ran, honestly. But, of course, that was a no tip. Total for that was $6. Amazing. Next up is a Carl's Jr. This one is high mileage, unfortunately. This one's going 8 miles. Hopefully it's not another no tip. That would be very sad. Total for that order was $17. What the heck? Huge tip on that one. Thank you very much. Okay, we've got another high mileage order. This one is probably not going to be worth it at all. It's a Black Rock Coffee going 7.5 miles. Only one item. If I had to guess, this is going to be a no tip, as opposed to the previous order that had like 10 items, only one drink. Yeah, this is not going to end well for me.
Thank you. Allison.
Yeah. Thank you. You too. Okay, I'm gonna say it because I'm already annoyed with this order, but can people order from closer stores to them? Because like, I think that's 3 in a row now. That Starbucks had 2 other locations that were closer to them. That Carl's Jr. had at least 1, maybe 2, I don't remember. And I'm pretty positive that this Black Rock Coffee has at least 3 before I even get to them. Wow, that was awful. I was right about that being a no tip. Total for that was $7. Super cringe. Well, that took forever to get back into my zone, but we got the next stack. This is Gravity Coffee and Taco Bell going 6 miles.
There you go, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Oh, yep. No tipping is definitely an option that was taken. Total for that was $8. So it is going to be one of these days after all. And I'm not taking that one. Just try to give me a Mr. Maple Donuts going 13 miles. Next order up is a McDonald's going just under 5 miles. No tip on that one either. Wowee. Total for that was $5. And we got the next order right away. This is the human being going 5 miles.
Make this fun.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a great day.
You too. Total for that order was $10. Next up, we've got a stack, 2 different restaurants, 2 different people. This is McDonald's and Seize the Bagel, $11 going 6 miles.
I'm not sure about what. Sarah. That one has a drink, I believe. Yes, it does.
Thank you. Top floor. Going back to Seize the Bagel for this one. This is going 3.5 miles. There you are.
So much.
You have a good day.
You too.
Total for that one was $7 and change. That was a quick one. And we got the next one right away. This is Starbucks going just under 5 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. And that's a no tip. Okay, we're going home. Total for that one was $7. Current time is 9:59. Current total is 100, and I think we're still waiting on Uber tips, so I'll throw up the total when that comes in. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.